Dear friends, welcome to Data Bicep. In today's world, data has become the new fuel, and with explosion of data, the role of data analyst has become more important. With the new technology, with explosion of data, different companies are trying to find people who can analyze the data and turn that into an insight. Because of that, data analyst has become possibly a recession-proof career choice. But unfortunately, many people find it very difficult to start their career as a data analyst, or they find it very difficult to switch into a career of data analyst, especially they are changing from a different career option. On the other hand, the companies are equally desperate to hire good data analysts, but they cannot do because of lack of skill sets and what we call employable skill sets. I have set up a very large organization in my last 2 decades of corporate journey, where I have set up really big organizations with data analysts, data scientists, data warehousing experts for various MNCs for Fortune 500 companies. And I would like to put all my experience into this channel so that you learn how to start, where to start, and how to navigate a data analyst career successfully in this industry. Data Bicep believes that whatever career choice you make today, you have to be data literate in order to succeed in today's world. So we will bring 3 types of videos in this channel. 1, detailed know-how and tricks and tips of data analyst. The second, really the quick hacks under 1 minute in short format, what you can refer if you want to learn certain key techniques in very short span of time. And third, we will interview a lot of real industry experts who would share their knowledge and experience with you so that you would know that what it takes to succeed in this world. So please subscribe Data Bicep and like, share to each of the videos so that you can spread the news to the whole of the world.